Meaning of dealer.
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 Dealer. A dealer is a person or company that sells goods or services. Typically, a dealer purchases the products they sell from a manufacturer or distributor and then resells them to customers for a profit. Dealers can specialize in a particular product category, such as automobiles or electronics, or they may offer a variety of products. In some cases, dealers may also provide additional services like maintenance or financing. Overall, dealers play an important role in connecting manufacturers with customers and facilitating the distribution of goods in various markets.